Hi, my name is Larry Denham. I'm president of TTWeights Audio, and today we're going to learn how to set up a GEM DC servo rim drive turntable. Each table includes a comprehensive manual, 30 color pages, taking you through step by step on how to set the table up. Today we're going to do a video to make it a little bit easier for you. Start with unpackaging. Note the warning. Please allow 24 to 48 hours before assembling your GEM turntable. This is due to the extreme precision of the bearing, and the cobalt oil-light bearing does require normalization for proper operation. Please follow these instructions carefully. Remove the high impact foam from the plinth. Remove the top layer. Simply remove the plinth from the box. The table comes with 3 sound point bases that will protect the furniture and also provide turntable isolation. Position them. At this point, this only weighs about 15 to 20 pounds. Make sure all the feet are firmly placed in the disc. As you'll notice, we're using a 24 by 18 by 4 inch maple block that was purchased from Maple Shade. You can inquire about that. What we do require is a flat level surface to start with, and you'll notice that with the rubber O-rings on the bottom, the table will not slip or move. This is important for the coupling of the rim drive. There's an important tag covering the bearing housing, and it reads, "Please make sure the carbide thrust ball is visibly centered to the bearing before placing platter down." Look down. It's a big 3/16 carbide thrust ball. Just assure that it's in the center and it's in place. The next step is to remove the platter. Finger through the hole, remove the packaging. There's 2 handy finger spots in here. Most people's fingers will fit, mine probably won't. Here we go. Remove the platter carefully. See, the bearing is a 1/2 inch cobalt bearing. The oil light bearing is pre-lubricated, so there's no need to add any oil. The factory does that. Line it up carefully and gently. It's a close fit, just gently let it down. Turn it gently. Make sure the platter spins freely. There should be no noise, no resistance, no vibration. From the accessory box, each table has a TT level weight included. The next step is to place that on the platter and adjust each foot. There's 3 feet, locking collar. I'll let you demonstrate it from here. Unlock the collar, turn the foot to raise, and lock. The back one has to come up in this case. Gently lift the table, turn the point, and lock. Same thing until the table is level. Lock each collar. Make sure the platter turns freely. And we're ready to install the motor. Okay. Now we have the plinth and platter assembled. The next thing is to install the motor and the control systems. Each GEM includes the outer rim drive motor pod and motor assembly. Simply place it on the platform. We're going to final position this at the end. Put it within 1/8 of an inch or less. Just close without touching. Ready your cords. This is the control cord. we're looking at the Gem Ultra control box. It's a 2-speed control box with 2 fine-speed adjustments. To plug the controller cable in, the 7-pin connector, XLR, simply plug it in, click, place it down. Next step is the power cord and ground cord. This is important, very important. Robert screwdriver, connector to the ground, please snug it up. This is critical though. The servo motor does require a ground and it must be connected. There could be damage to the motor if it's not connected. Don't plug it in yet. Okay, next step is the power supply. This is a 3-pin XLR connector again. Same process, simply plug it in the back of the box, click. One thing I'll point out, main power, overload reset, in the front of the box, platter on, speed selector, fine adjustments. Place the control box down in a convenient position. At this point we're safe to plug in the AC power. And once that's complete we can plug that into the AC socket.